वेलकम टू वेस्ट क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. मानता तुमी सगळीं बरीं आसलीं, सावध आनी भलायकेन. आनी ह्यो जावन आसा आमचो ह्यो लेटस्ट व्हिडिओ, जो जावन आसा आमचे सल्लांतुलांतले मास पोक आमसोल. फर्स्ट process is we'll apply some salt to this. So I'm using a rock salt, okay, and leaving it for overnight. Wash the meat nicely. So this is 1.5 kg of meat. And we leave this for overnight in fridge. Now what else you need is 3 big onions sliced. Then these are like a few Kokum, Goan Sola, Bindi Sola. So these are like around in numbers, if you want, then it is around 10 to 12. Then this I have also taken 4 of Bindi Sola and soaked in water also. Then this is 1 ball of tamarind soaked in 1 cup of water. So this is like around 1/4 cup of water. Then I have taken 2 big ones of pod of garlic, and then I have grinded to a paste. You get that a big one, tiny one, whichever you want, but you need 2 big ones. And this is around 10 grams of ginger. Again, it is like I have grinded to a fine paste. So this all goes in our pork Amsol. Then we need turmeric powder also. So very simple, you have to add all and then keep for cooking. Then what I am going to add this time for my pork Amsol is this allspice leaves. So I am taking around 5. They are like allspice. This is our meat. So this is our meat. Meatak laglele. So amche mass which is salted. Okay. So I had kept it for 2 days so that it gets nicely matured. Then we add our this water. Tamarind pulp water. Then our Kokum water, our ginger, garlic, and all this. Then we will add these leaves. So allspice leaves are very strong, and it has got allspice, like 5 spices flavor. Then we add our turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon, and 2 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So this is all what goes in our Amsol. We will mix this nicely. And cook this till our meat is cooked. So we'll cover this and now cook till our meat is done. So let this cook, again I am saying, till it is all cooked nicely. The onions will be caramelized and all, and check the salt. If needed, then add later, not now, because salt we had already put. When the meat is almost getting ready to cook, that time we will add some chilies. Now chilies depending on your spiciness. So some dry red chilies. I am using some Goan chilies also. Okay, so now I will add it. So as the meat is getting ready, it's not yet cooked still. So now we will add our chilies. So you can add at the start or you can add now. This is totally up to you. So now we'll cover this again. And we have to cook this because it is open pan, so it takes time. If it is in cooker, within 8 whistle it is done. But yes, this is the traditional way. And here it is, our pork Amsol is ready, nicely cooked. The onions are nicely caramelized. The chilies are also mixed nice along with the flavors, the dry chilies. So now I will put off the gas and serve it with pulao rice, plain rice, with bread, with sanna, and enjoy. Thank you so much. बरे करू म्हणटा तुमकां हें सगळ्यांक आवडटलें आमचें गोंयचें दुकराचें सलांतुलें पोक आमसोल. Thank you.
And here it is yummy and tasty Goan Pork Amsol. Thank you.